and always see the night.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually bringing you guys Supreme Week 1 unboxing. I did end up picking up some items. Unfortunately, I did screen record a live cop for y'all, but my orders had got kind of canceled. I didn't get charged till the other day, so I was like, yo, what the fuck is going on? I thought honestly everything got canceled, so I just kind of got cold on the live cop. If you guys are still trying to see that footage, let me know in the comments. We did manage to get 3 tees and a skate deck, so I am going to show you guys that in this video. I also do have a SNKRS W that I am going to show you guys in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. But I don't really want to waste too much time. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and do not forget to subscribe, bro. Right down there, just hit that button and subscribe and join the fam, because we're going to keep posting. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I guess we're gonna start off real simple with this. This is a package from Supreme Week 1, obviously. Hopefully we got some cards or some stickers or something, bro. I feel some stickers. Hold up. Oh, we got some cards too. Let's go. So in this package, we actually got hella stickers. Let's go. So first, they did give me the bicycle cards, basically the mini playing cards, box logo on the back, little playing cards. These actually go so hard. I'm amped about these. I love mini items. Like, I used to have these mini Uno cards that my grandma, rest in peace, got me. I used to love those. So these right here go so hard. I'm actually more excited about this than the actual tee, but the tee go hard too. So we do got that stencil sticker. This one is clear right here, so when you put this on something, it's whatever the color of whatever you put it on. What? The color of whatever you put it on is the color of the sticker. We got the Rick Rubin sticker as well. Hey, shout out to Rick Rubin. We got the Shrek sticker, one of my favorite tees. I don't even remember if I was able to get it, to be honest. Shrek sticker right there. And then we also have the regular box logo. The first piece I got was the stack tee in the plum color. This is actually clean, and it's one of the pieces that I did want for my personal collection. I love the color on this. I don't really own anything in this color. Let's go ahead and zoom in. We got all these basically stacked stickers on it. I think this is so fire. The branding from Supreme is definitely subtle on this. It's literally that skate deck up there right here. If you can see, it's the same design, the motion logo. That's what they used as the branding on this piece. The purple tones is not bad. I actually really do like the purple tone on this. I feel like low-key I can make something work with this and the Amameniers. It's not the same color, but the plums definitely go together if you piece it together. Like some khaki cargos, this and the Amameniers might go hard probably. But the first piece was the stack tee. As far as resale goes for this, the stack tee in plum is going for $60 on StockX. That is the lowest ask, and after the fees and all that, you're probably spending like $70. I feel like in the long run this will be worth something more than what it is now, so definitely hold Supreme tees. That's something that I recommend to a lot of people. Next up, let's go ahead and open this package right here. I'm actually really excited about this one. I feel like this week 1 honestly wasn't that much of a success for me. There were some more pieces that I could have went for and honestly really wanted. I don't know, it just wasn't going through for me. I got card declined so many times, bro. It's not even funny. Let's go ahead and take this out. I did end up getting a skate deck that I actually love. Supreme Celtic knot skate deck. This one is actually hard. I love the way that that design is, the barbed wire behind it. I'm excited to go ahead and put this somewhere in the room. It looks so solid, honestly. Really a fan of this one. It did come in 3 different colorways, but honestly, if I were to choose one, it'll probably be this one right here. Huge fan. I might even put it up there low key. I don't know yet, but this one goes so hard. This deck isn't honestly going for anything on StockX. It's going for like $63, which is pretty much retail, but I feel like as time passes, these fire like design decks do end up going up. This is something that I honestly wouldn't recommend unless you're really trying to hold the item. Don't really like buy these as a quick flip unless it's like a collab skate deck like the Smurfs one that came out. That one went for more off the rip because because it's like a collab. This one's more like just a standalone design. Definitely a fire piece, and I'm glad I have this. I'm not even a skater and I have a whole skate deck collection. Makes no fucking sense. In that package we had another Rick Rubin. We had the spaghetti sticker, which is actually pretty big. It's a little bit bigger than a box logo. And we had a samurai sticker as well. This one's actually fire. I feel like the sticker for this is so clean. Honestly, the design might have actually been clean as well. Might have messed up, but it is what it is. I think I'm gonna have to buy another one of these for resale. If I don't get an extra one in this last package and y'all are selling one of these, let me know in the chat please, because I need another one of these. So right here we have the mini playing cards. These are obviously Bicycle and Supreme. They have the mini playing cards branding on the side, and once you take the cards out, you literally have mini playing cards. That's so fire, dude. These are clean. This might be an unpopular opinion, but I feel like these mini playing cards might be one of the better week one gifts that we've gotten in years. Maybe I'm tripping. This is actually sick. Mini playing cards, bro. Like, come on. That's mad thoughtful. You know what I'm saying? But next, we're going to get into our SNKRS W. This is another one, and I do have another one on the way. Let's go ahead and get into this. You already know what's up. Boom. Yellow Nike box. This is the Pollen Jordan One. I feel like this is a clean sneaker, but with the lightning force coming out, I don't know how much wear I would give to this yellow shoe. I love the fact that they come with white and black laces. They also do have a yellow lace already on there. Personally, I'd probably just slap the black laces. I feel like the yellow does enough talking. I don't really want more yellow on here. These Pollen Jordan Ones are actually not that bad. I feel like they could have been way worse than what they are, and the materials on this sneaker is actually really good. The tumbled leather on here is not bad at all. This is the quality that I thought they were gonna have for the Shadow 2.0s. If they would have had this quality right here with the satin liner and all that, I definitely would have went for those. Personally, I just feel like they weren't up to par. This is what that should have been, and it wasn't. But this has like tumbled leather all around, flat leather on the swoosh, but that is to be expected. It's really plush, and I love this shoe. Personally, I would keep it. If the lightning fours weren't coming out, I would keep it. But it does have the yellow on the tongue right there, that almost like a university gold type pollen color right there as well. Tumbled leather on the sides, flat leather on the back, yellow outsole. Clean colorway in my opinion. I feel like this is one of the more solid Jordan 1s as of recently, and this one is gonna go up in value as well. I'm probably gonna make a dedicated video on the sneaker talking about resale predictions and all that, so make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. But let's go ahead and get into the last Supreme pickups, then we'll get straight up out this video. In this last package, we should have 2 more tees. I feels no stickers, no playing card. I don't feel shit in here, bro. Yo, they gave me no stickers. You lying. That ass hold me. No stickers, no nothing. At least we got the tees, and that is what matters. We did end up getting the Shadow tee in an XL. This one is probably for the personal. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't really know how much this one's going for, but I'm gonna pop this open. All it is literally on the front right here. I did get it in the navy color, and it's an OG Supreme tee from when they first opened the stores back in 1994. This one's actually hard. This used to be called the OG skate tee or something like that. I don't really remember clearly, but it was like the skate tee, OG skate tee, something like that. This is in the navy color, and it's basically this dude going up a half pipe or quarter pipe. It has the Supreme box logo on the bottom right there, a little red lining across this one. Definitely a solid piece coming from Supreme. I'm trying to tell y'all, they're killing it, and this one is a banger. I don't even know what this is going for. In an XL navy, this is going for 68 on StockX. That is the lowest ask. Obviously, I'm telling y'all, this is gonna go for over $100 easy. Retail was like 38 or some shit like that. Don't really remember. This is gonna go for over 100. Mark my words on that. Trust me. And last up for the tees and pickups from Supreme week 1, I did end up getting the Ricky Rubin tee in a navy size large. I am gonna store this away. That's why I flipped it inside the bag, because I'm not even gonna open this shit. But we do have the Ricky Rubin tee. You already see the vibes right there. So this tee in a navy size large is going for $75 on StockX right now. This is gonna go for over $100 $120. I possibly see that going over $150 for the amount of time I'm gonna hold it for. This is one of those items that you just leave it, pull it out in a couple years or some shit, and it's gonna be worth almost the same as a sneaker. And that's how you build money. So this is a good hold. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that away. That is the pickups that I had for today. We are gonna be seeing a release for Supreme on September 2nd. But with all that being said, man, if you enjoyed this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.